plannings for India, I think I can explain it the best that EGLO already starts investing into a own production company in Pawal area near Delhi, with a total investment of around $20 million.
Okay.
The land is already found. Part of the factory already exists. So we want to go in a bigger way to service the Indian market. Let me say how do we say in English, the chain of the value will be kept in India mainly.
Okay.
So the imports from China or other countries will get decreasing, while the value of the product will increase to have finally a product made in India. So beside employment and taxes, also let me say jobs will be created in a way that EGLO will keep his quality level as it has to be, as it is expected from EGLO as an international supplier. So we will combine now the Indian workmanship together with the European quality thinking. So all in all, together with the attractive pricing, we think we will have a good future on the Indian market. Well, the land size is around 62,000 square meters.
Okay.
And we will set up this factory according to the EGLO needings. We are very experienced in production. So we started first in Austria. Afterwards, we went to Hungary with big factory. From Hungary, we moved to China. And then at the end of the day now, so we think India will be the best place to secure the capacity of future of EGLO. It's this factory is not just for the Indian market, which is one of the main parts. We will also export from this factory place worldwide. Well, a test production already started.
Okay.
So if you have a look on the showroom, so I can show you already products made in India. But after this test period, let me say the buildings, the first two big buildings will be set up by end of 2016,
okay.
Beginning 2017. So we are already under negotiation with the construction companies, already under negotiation with the machinery equipment, which a big part comes from India itself. So with our experience, let me say, even taking into consideration maybe India is not Austria at the moment, construction-wise, but we feel that by end of this year we may start with our first steps, at least beginning of 2017. But our plannings are for end of this year.
Okay.
Yeah. Then step by step, so we will enlarge the assortment and the capacities and everything. So the manufacturing in India will cover more or less the whole procedure of production, from metal, plastic, galvanics, up to the final assembling, packaging, everything. Total production supply chain, you may say. Yeah. Yes, we have very encouraged plannings also in India to have, you may say, more than $50 million within the next 7-8 years. This is related to the sales, independent from the production. The focuses are on retail as well as on the project business, which will be a big important part in the future. With those commercial lightings, LED downlighters, what we will produce in India. Also later on LED bulbs we will produce here in India and as a supply to the market. And the third part, of course, is those kind of retail chain stores which is not ready in India yet, but will come.
Okay.
You see companies like Walmart, which are now on the way to come to India.
Yeah.
This is one of our basic partnerships worldwide, those retail chains. Either you speak about Home Depot or Walmart or Bauhaus in Europe. So the biggest leading hardware stores and food, non-food chains, they are related. They are focused also on our business, main business focus. That we invest a lot of also in the quality. Means, for instance, our both factories, those in Hungary, Europe, as well as the current factory in China, is certified by the European quality authorities called ENEC. Maybe you heard about this. I will spell you later. So in our factories we have a certified laboratory where those guys from the different countries, quality standard managers, go in and out, check our items straight there. Either it's UL or it's ENEC or it's Japanese, doesn't matter. So we have our facilities there, our engineers there, working, cooperating with those guys to improve our quality and to assure also the control of those what our standards should be. The minimum investment, that depends of course on the size of the store. But I would say starting from around $20,000 upstairs, upwards, so we can start discussing. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I would say 100 monobrand stores is a target within 3 years only across India. That we already checked out where's the potential, where's the city. So this plan already done.